Hello and welcome to all of you out there. Let us learn the next type of triangle in the chapter Construction of Triangles. In the previous class, you learned how to construct a triangle when you have one side, one angle and some of the other two sides. Here you have one side, one angle and difference of other two sides. Difference between other two sides. In this case, how to get the triangle? Let us learn this method. First and foremost, we will be drawing a rough figure. Let us draw a rough figure. XYZ is the name of the triangle. So let me get a rough figure for this. So here my rough XYZ triangle is ready. XYZ. In this triangle, now how to look into which method to follow. You have YZ given as 7.4 centimeter and XYZ angle is given as 45 degree and you have the difference of XY minus XZ. So if you are considering the name of the triangle XYZ, in triangle XYZ what you have? XY, that is first and the second. Vertex 1, vertex 2, vertex 3, right? If I am considering like that, XY minus XZ you know as 2.7 centimeter. If you have XY minus XZ, first and second minus first and third. First and second, XY minus first and third. If you have difference given in this format, you will follow these steps. Only one small change you have to do if you have the difference given in another way. That we will be discussing it later. So if it is XY minus XZ, ऐसा दिया है XY minus XZ. XZ minus के लिए दूसरा method. Here we have XY minus XZ. XY minus XZ. If it is given this way, we will follow this method. What is that method? First we will draw the base 7.4. XZ we will draw 7.4. 7 is here. 7.4. Okay. Yes. I have drawn the base. This is YZ. Write down the name. YZ and 7.4 centimeter. Now on Y we need the angle. Keep the protractor point on Y and protractor point on Y and draw the angle 45 degree. 40 and 50 in between that. This is 45. Correct? Acute angle. No? So if you take it the other way, the mouth will be wide open. Acute means this way you have to draw the angle. Yes. Join the point and extend the ray. This is 45 degree. Write all the details. Now, XY minus XZ, difference of two sides is given as 2.7. Let me take that onto the compass. 2.7. 2.7 onto the compass. Yes, carefully. Now keep the compass point at Y and mark an ray. Mark an arc. Mark an arc. Yes. How much is this? Till from Y to, let me take this as another name. Let me take it as A. Okay. So this point A, YA is 2.7 centimeter that I have taken. Now I'll join A and Z. I'll get AZ. AZ. Yes. Now I will draw a perpendicular bisector on AZ. On AZ, I will draw a perpendicular bisector like we always used to do, right? On the third, what you get, on that we used to draw a perpendicular bisector. Yes. So keep the compass point at Z, more than half, one arc. More than half, one arc down, one arc up. Okay. Same distance, keep the compass at point A, compass point on A, cut the arc, cut the arc. Okay. Now join them. Join them. Yes. And extend it further. Now this what you got should intersect the previous ray. If it is not intersecting, extend that ray further. Extend it further very carefully. Okay. See, now it intersected. So this is the point of intersection, and this is our required point X. X, Y, Z. Okay. This is our point X. What we got? X, Y and Z. So we have to join X and Z. Point of intersection, that is point X. Now we have our triangle XYZ ready. Write down triangle XYZ is the required triangle. Required triangle. What is the property that we have used here? If you draw perpendicular bisector, that is, this is the perpendicular bisector. Point X is on that perpendicular bisector. Point X is at equal distance from A. X distance from Z is also equal. So, here these two identical marks. X is equal to XZ. And XY minus XZ is 2.7. XY minus XZ is 2.7, as we can see here. Okay, this is the format that you have to use, steps that you have to use when you have difference of two sides given. Only this method you have to follow. Sum number 2 you will be solving on the same basis. Sum number 3 is cancelled for you. So you need to learn only this method where XY minus XZ. See the second question in practice at 4.2. Just see, children, the second sum. Construct triangle PQR where QR is equal to 6.5 centimeter. One side given, one angle given, and difference. What about the difference? It is PQ minus PR. Same like the first sum. So, first and the second minus first and the third. Okay. Sum number third is cancelled for you. You need to learn only this type of difference where first and the second PQ minus PR. The third sum, that is third question, is cancelled for you. Let me draw a rough figure. Now you get the figure before me. You get the figure before me. Triangle PQR. QR is 6.5 centimeter. Angle Q is given as 40 degree. Angle Q is given as 40 degree. Now let us draw. We need more space here. So I'll start somewhere here. Base is 6.5. 6.5 centimeter. Let me take 6.5 centimeter. Okay, 6.5 centimeter QR. 6.5 centimeter. On protractor on Q, 40 degree. Acute angle, children. So acute angle means here 40. Extend it. Make the ray longer. Remember last time it was falling short. Arrows and all I'll draw later on. For this is 40 degree. Okay. Now the difference between other two sides is given as 2.5. Next, what is the step? Take your compass. Take 2.5 on your compass. 2.5 on your compass. And keep the compass point at point Q. Draw the arc. Draw the arc. This is point P. No, this is another point. Let us take it as X this time. X. This is 2.5 centimeter. Now you will join the remaining 2 points X and R and you will draw perpendicular bisector for XR. Okay. So keep the compass point at X. More than half. Take more than half. One arc down, one arc up. Same way, keep the compass point on X. Cut the arc, cut the arc. Okay. Now extend it. extend it and let it cut this arc. Let it cut the ray. Now any point on the perpendicular bisector, which is that point? This point of intersection will be our required point P. Its distance from X and its distance from R is the same. Congruent. We have our required triangle PQR. Triangle PQR is the required triangle. It's the required triangle. Okay. So I hope you have understood construction of triangle when you have difference between any two sides of a triangle. Do the constructions with me, children, and learn it well. Meet you with the next topic in the next class. Till then, bye.